Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that stirs a lot of curiosity: how to make a girl chase you by ignoring her. Now, I know what you're thinking. Wait, isn't ignoring her the worst thing I could do if I like her? But here's the thing. Human psychology is complex. The dynamic of attraction often isn't about grand gestures or constant pursuit. In fact, sometimes the most powerful move is pulling back and giving her space to wonder about you. In this video, we'll uncover 9 strategic ways to trigger her curiosity, ignite her interest, and make her chase you, all without coming off as manipulative or disrespectful. This isn't about playing games. It's about understanding your own value, setting boundaries, and shifting the dynamic in your favor. So if you're tired of always being the one to chase, stick around because we're about to flip the script. Let's get started. Number 1. Make the first couple of moves, then pull back. The first step is simple. Make your presence known. Women often appreciate when a man takes the initiative, approach her confidently, engage in a genuine conversation, and create a memorable first impression. The key: be authentic and playful. Ask her thought-provoking questions, make her laugh, and show her that you're genuinely interested. But here's where most guys go wrong. They don't know when to stop. After a positive interaction, resist the urge to text her constantly. Send one friendly message to let her know you enjoyed meeting her. Then, pull back. This space creates intrigue. She'll wonder why you're not bombarding her with messages like every other guy. The absence of your constant attention makes her curious, and that curiosity is where attraction begins. Remember, confidence is not about chasing. It's about knowing your worth. Number 2. Stop changing your plans for her. It's flattering when someone prioritizes you, but constantly dropping everything for a girl? That's a fast track to losing her respect. If she asks to hang out and you already have plans, stick to them. Whether it's a workout session, a night out with the guys, or simply some alone time, keep your commitments. This doesn't mean being dismissive or rude. Just calmly say, "I'd love to see you, but I have plans. How about we catch up later this week?" When she realizes you're not at her beck and call, she'll naturally start valuing your time more. Scarcity creates value. When you're not always available, your presence becomes more desirable. The key takeaway? Being busy isn't a strategy. It's a mindset. Live your life fully, and she'll chase to be a part of it. Number 3. Ignore her attempts to make you jealous. Women sometimes test men by trying to provoke jealousy. She might mention other guys, talk about her ex, or drop hints about her social life. Here's how to win this game. Don't play it. When she brings up another guy, don't flinch. Stay calm, smile, and respond neutrally. Say something like, "That's cool, I'm glad you had fun." Then, pivot the conversation. This reaction does 2 things. It shows emotional maturity. You're not easily rattled or insecure. It breaks the cycle of manipulation. She'll realize that those tactics don't work on you. The result? She'll become even more curious about you, wondering why you're so composed. And curiosity often leads to attraction. Number 4. Control the texting dynamic. Texting is one of the biggest areas where men lose power. If you're the one always initiating conversations and double texting, it's time to stop. Here's the golden rule. Match her energy. If she sends short responses or takes hours to reply, do the same. Don't respond immediately. Instead, take your time. Prioritize your day, and when you genuinely have a moment, reply thoughtfully. This balance prevents you from coming across as needy. It also subtly signals that your world doesn't revolve around her, and that makes you more desirable. Bonus tip: occasionally, end conversations first. Leave her wanting more. That suspense will make her chase. Number 5. Let her come to you in person. When you're out in public and see her, the natural instinct might be to approach her immediately. But here's where you need to shift your mindset. Confidence isn't about chasing. It's about creating opportunities for her to come to you. Instead of rushing to say hello, stay cool and composed. Talk to your friends, laugh, and enjoy the moment. Women are naturally drawn to men who are comfortable in their own space. Your relaxed demeanor will spark curiosity and make her wonder why you're not giving her immediate attention. Now, this doesn't mean giving her the cold shoulder. If she makes eye contact or smiles, acknowledge her with a friendly nod or subtle smile. But then, go back to what you were doing. This simple act conveys self-assurance. When she eventually approaches you, respond warmly, but maintain that sense of ease. She'll feel like she earned your attention, which makes it all the more rewarding. Plus, she'll remember how effortlessly attractive you seemed just by enjoying yourself. Pro tip: confidence is magnetic. The more you're focused on having a good time, the more irresistible you become. Number 6. Ignore unreasonable behavior. Every relationship has moments of conflict, but how you respond to those moments sets the tone. Women sometimes test a man's patience, whether consciously or subconsciously, to gauge his emotional stability. The worst thing you can do? React impulsively. Instead, remain calm and collected. If she lashes out over something minor, don't engage in a heated back and forth. Simply listen. Validate her feelings without over-explaining yourself, and respond with composure. Something as simple as saying, "I hear you, but I think we should talk when we're both calm," works wonders. When she realizes she can't control your emotions, it subtly shifts the dynamic. Emotional resilience is a sign of strength and maturity, two traits women find incredibly attractive. But remember, ignoring her doesn't mean dismissing her feelings. If she has a legitimate concern, address it thoughtfully. The key is knowing when she's being unreasonable versus when she needs genuine reassurance. And here's the twist. When she sees that her emotional turbulence doesn't shake you, she'll respect you even more. Respect often fuels deeper attraction, making her chase your calm, grounded presence. Number 7. Get busy and live your life. Want a surefire way to make her chase you? Start living a life that excites you. Think about the men women naturally admire. They're not endlessly waiting for a text or obsessing over one person's attention. They're out there pursuing goals, making memories, and building a fulfilling life. This isn't about pretending to be busy. Actually get busy. Take up new hobbies. Invest in your career. Hit the gym, or travel more. When she sees that your life is rich and purposeful, she'll naturally want to be a part of it. And here's the beauty of it. When you genuinely enjoy your life, your energy shifts. You radiate confidence and positivity, which is incredibly attractive. Now, when she reaches out, you'll respond from a place of abundance, not desperation. She'll pick up on that energy and become more drawn to you. People are naturally curious about what's capturing your attention. Pro tip: post snippets of your adventures on social media. Not to brag, but to subtly remind her that you're someone with a vibrant, interesting life. The fear of missing out? It's a powerful motivator. Number 8. Keep your emotions in check. Emotional control isn't just a nice to have. It's one of the most attractive traits a man can possess. When things don't go your way, or she throws a curveball, how you respond says everything. Think about it. How many times have you seen guys lose their cool, get jealous, or overreact? That behavior screams insecurity. Women instinctively pull away from that. The alternative? Stay calm and centered. If she's distant or cold, don't chase or demand answers. Simply match her energy. If she's testing you with jealousy games or trying to provoke a reaction, respond with a smile and say something like, "That's interesting," then change the subject. Why does this work? Because it signals self-respect and confidence. She'll notice that her attempts to shake you don't work, which makes you even more intriguing. But here's the kicker. This isn't about suppressing your emotions. It's about understanding them, processing them, and responding logically. When you practice emotional intelligence, you stand out from the crowd of reactive men. And trust me, she'll chase the man who remains unshaken, because that's the man she knows she can rely on. Number 9. Ignore her when she doesn't reciprocate. Let's face it, not every girl will reciprocate your feelings, and that's okay. But how you handle rejection can actually increase her attraction toward you. Here's what most guys do. They beg for another chance, bombard her with texts, or try to prove why they're worth it. This approach never works. The right move? Walk away with your head high. If she rejects you, thank her for her honesty, wish her well, and continue living your life. No bitterness, no resentment, just quiet confidence. This simple act achieves two things. 1. It maintains your dignity. Nothing is more attractive than a man who knows his worth. 2. It creates curiosity. She'll wonder why you didn't react the way most men would. And that intrigue? It lingers. But more importantly, this isn't just about getting her to chase you. It's about knowing when to let go. Sometimes the best thing you can do is focus on yourself, refine your goals, and stay open to new opportunities. And ironically, the moment you stop chasing and start thriving, that's often when she comes back, wondering what she missed out on. Pro tip: confidence isn't needing someone to choose you. It's knowing that you're already enough. And there you have it, 9 powerful ways to make a girl chase you by ignoring her. Remember, this isn't about playing games or manipulating emotions. It's about understanding your own worth, maintaining self-respect, and shifting the power dynamic. When you value yourself, others will too. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these tips resonated the most? Have you ever noticed a shift in how women respond when you stop chasing and start leading? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss future videos. Until next time, stay confident, stay authentic, and let them chase you.